to the next episode. Barbecue with Greg.
Smell the smoke. The time is here for Barbecue with Greg. Your friendly mate who enjoys a barbie. Barbecue with Greg. Tips and tricks you never thought of. Fish or chicken or pig or cow or sheep or bronze, he just knows how. Beer or whiskey or cider or pop, and sometimes Jaeger shots, Jaeger shots. Barbecue with Greg. Grab a bev and join the party. Barbecue with Greg. Sit right down, it's time to start. It's Barbecue with Greg.
What time is it? Steak Sambo time. Oh yeah. Now, because of the wonderful time we've been having, bushfires 1 year, pandemic the next, this cost me $23 for one steak from the supermarket. They tell me it's 100% Angus. It's Carl's for fuck's sake. So, let's stretch this out. One steak, two people. Sambo time. Step one, season the bitch. Seasoned. Now, you bung it on the grill. I want to do the crisscross. Because crisscross will make it jump, jump. One thing I wanted to point out, my sister got me this for my birthday. The one that's never been in one of these videos. I've got two sisters. I didn't realise actually how cool it was until I actually sliced a steak on it. So it's got these ridges here. So it's got this little ridge here and then a deep ridge here. So when you slice into the steak, the blood doesn't roll onto the bench. Fucking sick, bro! Alright, that's done. Let it rest now, let it do its thing. I'm ready for the next bit, the Sambo bit. Alright, what I gotta do now, just get a couple of bread rolls. And just give them a little tap. Alright, now we slice it up. Fairly well done, let's do the pull tests. A little bit more than I normally would. Still tastes good. fall apart on me, man. Divers and just, oh no. Losing half my cheese. Yep. Good. That relish is amazing. Relish, a little bit of mayo, some rocket for that, because it's, and cheese. Yeah, relish, mayo, cheese. That rocket just brings it up a bit. Meal for two.